Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to install and use an app called For You Tunnel Lite. This app is available on the Google Play Store and can help make your browsing more stable and private. Before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions so you don't miss future tutorials. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type For You Tunnel Lite. From the list of results, find the correct app by checking its name and icon. Tap on it and then tap Install. Once it finishes installing, tap Open. Step 2. On the home screen of the app, tap the Update button at the bottom. A window will appear showing the update options. Choose Online Update. This will refresh the app's resources so it works properly. Step 3. Next, tap the server box. You can select a server that works best in your location. For this tutorial, you can leave it on auto select so the app will choose the best option automatically. Step 4. Now tap the network name box. In the search bar, type UDP. Select the option called All Country UDP. This option usually works well in many regions. If UDP does not work for you, try another available network type that matches your country. Step 5. After setting everything, tap the Start button. Wait a few moments and the app will connect. Once connected, your browsing will now be more stable and private. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.